Hi guys, welcome back. I'll be starting the video in just 1 minute. I just wanted to make a channel announcement. For the past 6 months, or maybe a little bit more, I've been mixing vlog style videos with coloring videos. And for the most part, I've gotten a lot of really good positive feedback. But the one complaint that people had was they were having trouble finding exact answers to questions when it was mixed in with the vlog. So I've come up with an idea and I think this is going to work. It seems that people like more videos. I had a lot of really good feedback when I was doing it every day, but I can't keep up that pace. Doing it every day is very difficult. So I'm going to put myself on a schedule. It'll be coming out different days during the week, but you should be seeing a video every other day. In addition to that, I'm going to separate the lessons from the vlog. And a lot of you, when I do the lessons, you miss the vlog. When I do the vlog, you miss the lesson. So this way you're getting both. My lesson is going to be pure lesson, and you're going to see that with the pro tips in the thumbnail. That means you're getting an art lesson. On the days that you don't see pro tips and you see a different style thumbnail, those will be vlog style videos. So you could expect to see a little bit of coloring in there. If I'm coloring an object, they may do a demo, but you will see more of my family. Every other video it'll be a lesson, vlog, a lesson, a vlog. That would go every 2 days. This will give me enough time in between lessons to really be able to put together a good video for you. If I should get off schedule for whatever reason, so I took the weekend off this weekend, I can't even tell you how many people panicked. I don't have COVID. The only reason I took off the 3 days was because it was a sponsored video. They have to see the video first and get back to me. I handed it in on a Friday and they don't work weekends. So let's begin today's vlog, and I will see you in my next video, which will be a lesson. Now this contraption I have to get cleaned out because this is where Mina is going to spend her summer. And that's where I'll be putting my chickens. No, I am not getting chickens. I'm not going to talk my family into getting chickens. See, Nicole? No chickens.
You were lost in the city when I finally came. You were standing with strangers when I called your name, and I called to your heart just as loud as a train. 'Cause whenever you're lonely, life is the same. And I've loved you forever, and it's hard to explain. Long before Cain and Abel, when God made the rain, yes, I've loved you forever. From the moment time began, when my soul roamed the earth, from the sea to the land, girl, I've loved you forever, both wild and tame, with a love old and ancient, and so unashamed.
Oh, it's Mina's first day in the pen. She'll only stay out here a couple of hours because she's going to be a little freaked out. It's not overly hot, so I'm not putting water in. It's just right for her to get some sun. Isn't she huge? Charlie. Puppy face. Come here, old man. I got the trees trimmed, thank goodness. That's all done. And the pond is cleaned out. It's just a small pond. I'm going to put some of my plants from my fish tank inside in it. Grow them out nice and healthy for the summer so I could put them in the tanks during the winter. This is where it's going to be. I'm debating whether to sink it into the ground this year. I might do it next year because I want to see how it works out first before I start with a big mess. So it's going to probably sit above ground.
No, 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 no. In this busy world, you got to know what you want and where you want to go. That's what I heard, so I took the advice, knowing that there would be some sacrifice. I said I'll go to work, maybe try to be a clerk, to see how it'd go. I'm making $7 an hour, and they said it was a place I could grow. Well, I feel I don't fit here. It would appear that I ain't cut out to be the man of the year. I'm just playing this game and trying to be the same as all of them.
She's still out there basking in the sun, having a good time. I managed to get this area cleaned up for the spring. Looks pretty good. Got my aloe vera plant finally into the ground. Some of the leaves are out of this bed. I'm exhausted.
So glad to spend it with my friends. Today is the best day of my life, and I'll sing it out 1,000 times. Today is the best day of my life, and I can't afford to miss this time. I can't imagine another day as good as this. It feels like bliss.
The cactuses are really easy to grow, but it's come to my mind now that it's very hard to clean the beds because you don't want to get attacked, and these things can be nasty. Every year I end up in them. This is Puff's favorite shelf, and that's where he slept at night. Good girl. You did it. Your first day out. You still having a good time, baby doll? You've been tromping around all over the place. She climbed down by herself, too. should have leveled it before I started to fill it up. Oh my God, I am so exhausted. It's now around 6:30. I did so much. Look how nice this place looks. One more day of work, and I could say my upper porch is completely done. My grandparents lived on the ocean, and I used to throw them off the dock in their backyard. My uncle used to have to go retrieve them in the ocean because I was setting them free. Always the animal rescuers.
I don't know. Same time every morning, put the coffee on, jump into the rain like a baby. Takes time to get warm. Water works its magic, 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 magic. Wakes my mind and brings my life to view. Seems so tragic, 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 tragic. Just don't know what to do. I don't know how much longer I can go on. I don't know. My decisions have been right or wrong. I don't know. I might need direction. Can someone tell me, please?
I may have killed one of my tomato plants. I watered it and I didn't realize, I watered it 2 days ago, but I didn't realize the bottom was blocked. So it sat in water for 2 days and now it's like wilty. So I don't know whether it's going to come back or not. Time to go in. Let's go. Come on. In. No. House. Bed. Bath time. Dinner. Come on. You're getting sassy with me. Come on. No. Behave yourself. You gotta go in the cage. You cannot stay out here now. Come on. Close that mouth. Come on. You are. Cut it out. Cut it out. Settle down. Monster face. Settle down. Settle down. That's good. Good girl. Oh my God. You can come out tomorrow. It seems our little dragon baby is not happy about being brought inside. Look at her. Hallie, you want to eat me? Oh my God, you're like a snake. There'll be plenty more times that you can go out there. No eating mommy.
you got to know what you want and where you want to go. That's what I heard, so I took the advice, knowing that there would be some sacrifice. I said I'll go